Hey guys, it's Maxandro, back with another video, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can make this dope YouTube revamp on Android. So let's begin. So I am using Pixellab. You can download this app from description below.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth.
I'm using Photoshop Touch. You can download this app from the description below.
I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. I know the truth. Butterflies fly away from me tonight. These feelings inside. Butterflies fly away from me tonight. My heart breaks Images around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you, guys, in the next one. Peace out.